Okay, so these nails last for about 4 to 6 weeks. I think I'm on my 5th week, and one of my nails was already loose. As you can see, the removal of these gel nails using that gel glue is actually a lot easier. You don't have to sit and soak. If your hands have recently been in hot water, which was when I noticed my nails needed to be removed, then it just kind of flipped right on off. And as you can see, I was twisting and that's what happened. So this is the reason why I say you want to put the glue right down the center, because from the sides of the cuticle line, you will be able to lift on both sides and along the cuticle. And the glue feels like, what's the best way to describe it? If you've used hair glue or lash glue before and it's dry, it has that tacky feeling. Well, this is what it feels like. However, the tackiness is no longer there because, as you can see, the nail glue, the gel glue, is attached to the nail, and sometimes it leaves residue back on your nails as well. So it's just easier to just use your nails or a tool that you may have, a nail tool that you can use, and lift from the sides and the cuticle line, because that's more than likely where the thinnest amount of glue has been cured when you install these nails. So now that I've removed them from all 4 nails, let's show you how I do them for my thumbs. Again, there's nothing wrong with using your teeth to do this. You're just lifting them up from the side, the cuticle line and everything, and you just use a tool or your nail to press through to lift the nail away from your natural nail. So again, the glue itself, the gel glue, it's soft, it doesn't feel tacky anymore, and it just lifts pretty easily. Be sure to use a nail file of your choice to buff the excess residue away of the glue and to go ahead and shape and smooth your nails. Use cuticle oil or Vaseline if you need to in order to moisturize your cuticles, and your nails are ready for a rest. You can just paint them as normal and give yourself some time before you do another installation again.